Utilizing high-speed automation, the rotating blades efficiently shave the brown skin, leaving behind pristine white meat as the shavings fall away as waste. Inside the modern factory, metal blades spin rapidly, transforming solid coconut meat into snow-white flakes for milk extraction. Highlighting the freshness of the raw material, these fluffy, moist flakes look just like fresh snow as they enter the processing phase.
Temperature-controlled tanks ensure the quality of the coconut milk, as high-speed automation handles the intense volume of production.
The empty cans pass through the air rinsing machine, where high-pressure air jets blast away any dust or debris. State-of-the-art machinery fills the cans with liquid coconut milk at incredible speed and precision, demonstrating the efficiency of modern automation.
A metal lid is placed on top, and the spinning chuck seals the can shut in a blur of motion, locking in the freshness instantly.
The pressure rises rapidly within the retort machine. The steam ensures sterilization, killing bacteria to guarantee absolute food safety. This is the future of manufacturing, where speed and power meet clinical efficiency.
In this modern facility, automation takes center stage. The wrapper spins rapidly, applying film.
The automated forklifts navigate the warehouse with clinical precision, lifting pallets high into the storage racking system.
The coconut meat enters the massive industrial dryer, where hot air rapidly evaporates the moisture.
Inside the drying chamber, the white coconut flakes tumble and dance in the hot air stream.
The husk waste is immediately loaded onto conveyors, ensuring our zero-waste initiative is met. The coconut husks are fed into a powerful shredder. Heavy metal teeth tear the husks apart, separating the long fibers.
The extracted brown fibers are spun into thick ropes by a spinning machine, creating a strong,
Within the state-of-the-art coconut processing facility, millions of bottles are sterilized daily by high-speed automation before entering the filling station. High-speed automation fills each bottle with fresh coconut water, minimizing air exposure and maximizing efficiency. The bottles zip through the sleeve labeler, where a plastic label is shot over the bottle and then shrunk tight by the heat tunnel, applying the branding seamlessly.
From the tree to the automated line, the essence of the coconut remains pure.
In this modern coconut processing factory, charcoal powder is rapidly compressed into hexagonal briquettes by the high-speed automated press. The factory operates with high-speed automation, utilizing advanced machinery to fill Using advanced optical technology, every batch of coconut oil is rigorously tested, ensuring absolute clarity and 100% purity.
From the heart of our processing centers, Global Harvest delivers the bounty of the farm to the world market.